Microfiber cloths are one of the most important tools in professional housekeeping. They clean effectively, they protect the surfaces in the home, and they allow us to work with precision. So let me show you how to use them correctly.
Before we begin, it's important to understand that microfiber cloths come in different textures. Each one has a specific purpose, and choosing the right cloth protects the surface and affects the final finish. The cloth furthest to the left is made of finer weave. This one is used on glass and polished finishes to remove marks without streaks. The second one is a slightly stronger weave, which suits kitchen surfaces and helps with oils and residue. The third one is a soft, balanced weave which works for most daily surfaces, protecting delicate finishes. And the one furthest to the right is a more absorbent cloth used in bathrooms, for sinks, and wet areas, for example. So using the right texture gives a cleaner, more refined result. Microfiber cloths are made from extremely fine fibers. These fibers are split into tiny hooks, which gently lift and hold dust and oils from the surface. With traditional cloths, dust and other particles are moved across the surface. With microfiber, the particles are lifted and held within the fibers. This creates a finish that is clearer, more refined, and more hygienic.
Different households will use different color coding systems. That doesn't matter. What's important is that the system is clear and that it's followed consistently. When we work, we fold the cloth into 8 working surfaces. So we fold, and we fold. This gives control, precision, and a clean section to work with at all times. When we work, we use smooth pattern motion. This prevents streaks and it protects the finish of the surface really nicely. To finish off, we use a finer microfiber cloth to polish chrome, glass, and other reflective surfaces. This motion is gentle and unhurried. We're not removing soil now, we're refining the surface. This is the detail that creates a calm, finished, and elegant look to the room.
For everyday laundry, wash the cloth at around 40 degrees. Always check the label. We always keep toilet cloths separate from the others when washing. This prevents cross-contamination and protects hygiene in the home. If sanitizing is needed, use 60 degrees, but only occasionally as high heat shortens the lifespan. Do not use fabric softener as that will coat the fibers. When clean, let them air dry or use low heat tumble drying. Then fold them up in their colors and put them away.